Now, as the NEO ET5 gets closer to be delivered by NEO end of this year, it looks like so many analysts are starting to really be optimistic about NEO achieving profitability in the next year, which is something that, like I said, excites investors, or something that so many of the retail investors, including myself, were patiently waiting, or are patiently waiting to see that time when NEO turns the table and become a profitable company. I mean, we've discussed, or in the previous video before this one, before I saw this article, we were discussing about what Sucho Securities just said about NEO, which of course they were indicating that the gross margins are going to be better, or we are going to see NEO starting to report good gross margins starting in the Q3 of 2022, which is something that is incredible. Now, another analyst from Citic just indicated that, ladies and gents, the ET5, it is the vehicle that of course will bring in some very good sales into NEO, which is something that we've been hearing many analysts, of course, putting positive news in relation to the NEO ET5 deliveries, which is something that is incredible, and something that of course must motivate you as retail investors to get to see many analysts becoming optimistic about, of course, the NEO ET5. Should definitely motivate you to remain bullish, stay long and strong onto this NEO stock. I mean, yesterday we saw, of course, the NEO stock finishing the day up over 13%, which is something that is incredible, because most of the EV companies, of course, they did not attain or manage to gain those kind, or see those kind of gains. It was NEO that of course saw those kind of gains, and the reason behind that is of course the ET5 deliveries. So Citic Securities, ladies and gents, what they just said, they indicated that NEO, because of these latest developments that we've been seeing, including this 85, they are just set for a re-evaluation, because it looks like the future is becoming so bright, or it's looking so bright for this EV maker, which is something that of course the YouTubers, most of the YouTubers, including myself, we've been of course keeping the faith, encouraging you to remain long and strong to this NEO stock, because we always believed that this is a game changer company in the EV space, which is the exact same thing that analysts, or so many analysts all over the world, they are beginning to agree the potential that lies within this NEO stock, which is one thing that must motivate you to remain long and strong onto this NEO stock. But before we dig deep into this video, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, I'll really appreciate, like I said, if you can just hit that like button if you do enjoy the content that I'm giving you about the NEO stock. So Citic Securities believes that not only does the NT 2.0 of course improve the energy efficiency in the NEO cars, but it also makes the driving experience much richer, which is one of the things that, ladies and gents, really is exciting to get to see. Of course, analysts, like I said, becoming to agree on one thing about NEO, and that is of course NEO is just set to do very well. They are starting to see the potential that lies within this NEO stock. And ladies and gents, those of you that are loading the boat, remaining bullish onto this NEO stock, you are going to be rewarded. Those of you that were loading onto this NEO stock at its lowest trading price are definitely going to see massive gains, massive rewards when this stock gets the proper valuation that it deserves, which is something that obviously excites me. Now, initially, Citic Securities had indicated that of course they see NEO delivering monthly deliveries of the ET5 of around 8,000, and now, ladies and gents, they just updated that, and they believe that NEO can easily deliver 12 to 13,000 of just this ET5, which is something that is incredible and something that must motivate you to remain long and strong onto this NEO stock. NEO is a company that not only is it expected to do very well by just few, like I said, analysts, but most analysts now are really seeing the potential that lies within this NEO stock. And the ET5, it is that model that almost all analysts are betting that that will be a breakthrough model in NEO, or that will be the model that will generate or bring in a lot of deliveries or a lot of sales, because of the technology that is in that car because of the prices, or the price that is on that car, because this is the cheapest model that NIO will be selling in the market. And ladies and gents, though it is cheap, but it comes with the top technology features. It comes with the latest platform or technology platform that is installed in the NIO cars, and that is the NT2.0 platform, which is something that, ladies and gents, must just make you to see the potential that lies within this NIO ET5. I mean, few days ago I did a video, of course, showing you the kind of inflows that the NIO houses were receiving because of this model, which was something that was incredible to watch and makes us to really see already that there might be shortages of the deliveries of these models, the way so many people are really excited and are keen to know or to drive this car. So Cytic Securities believe that NIO will finish the year delivering 18,500 of the NT 2.0 vehicles, that is the ET5, ET7 and the ES7. So these three new models that NIO introduced this year, Cytic Securities believe that in December, or for the month of December, we are going to see 18,500 deliveries coming only from these three new models. And of course, there are also other models which we are seeing NIO delivering some good deliveries. I mean, there's the ES6, ES8 and the EC6, which are also doing well in terms of the deliveries, which is why they indicated that for the total deliveries for December, they believe that NIO will deliver around 27,500. So 8 out of that 27,500, 18,500 will be the NT 2.0 platform vehicles, that is the ET5, ET7 and the ES7, and the rest out of those 27,500 vehicles will be the old models, which is something that is incredible. And the good thing, ladies and gents, is that NIO for the year 2023, they plan to upgrade all their models to use this NT 2.0 platform, which is something that is incredible and something that must motivate you to remain long and strong onto this NIO stock, because it looks like all their models, ladies and gents, will have the latest technology, which is something that obviously will make even these old models to start seeing massive demand or massive delivery inflows, due to the fact that they will all be upgraded to the latest technology that you found, or that NIO it's currently releasing in their latest models. Otherwise, Cytic Securities also believes that NIO will become profitable sometimes between the second half of course, the 2023 going to 2024, which is one of the things that so many analysts are agreeing on, to say that NIO will become, or we might see NIO becoming profitable in the second half, or going to the last quarter of 2023, which is something that is incredible and something that must really motivate you to remain strong or long and strong onto this NIO stock. Furthermore, Cytic Securities believes that for NIO to achieve that, they will need to be delivering vehicles of around 120 to 140,000 vehicles each and every on a quarterly basis, which is something that I personally believe that with the kind of developments, with the kind of cars that NIO is selling, with the kind of future cars that NIO will produce and maybe start delivering next year, we can easily see NIO selling these figures, or 120 to 140,000 vehicles on a month to month easily. And with the production capacity not an issue anymore, we can easily, obviously, like I said, get to see NIO delivering this kind of deliveries. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just gave you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.